Salam to all, this is FBA, Fadime Banu Akbet. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar Turkish lira, euro dollar, gold, bitcoin, and Ether. Last week, the dollar against Turkish lira increased and made new historical high as we expected. This week, if it's above 19.22, it may break 19.30, 19.32 range, and then try 19.38 resistance on its way to our first famous 19.64 target. The support is at 19.15, 19.12 area. Are more historical highs on the way? Last week, the euro against the dollar increased and made new current high at 1.0973 when we were expecting it to try 1.0929, 1.0944 range. This week, if it stays above 1.09, it shall try 1.0935, 1.0948 area. Here, it will either spike to 1.1032, 1.1055 range, or turn towards 1.0748 support. Staying above 1.1032, 1.1055 range shall update the narrowing triangle's upper side into 1.16 level. If you don't know what the narrowing triangle pattern is, please check the end of this video. Will the upper side of the narrowing triangle pattern be updated before or after the correction? Last week, the gold increased towards the upper side of the narrowing triangle pattern and spiked to 2032 high, yet couldn't stay above it, so be careful because it would have triggered a rally to historical high at 2070 level. If you don't know what the narrowing triangle pattern is, please check the end of this video. This week, if it's below 2010, 2007 range, it may break 1996, 1989 area, and then try 1950, 1934 range. Will a new historical high be made this week or next week? Last week, Bitcoin couldn't break 29,500, 30,000, so it had a week with loss. This week, if it stays below 27,900, it may break 27,150, 26,950 range, and then try 26,200, 25,700 area. The resistance is at 28,360 level. Will the buyers at around 25,000 be enough, or need to visit the buyers at around 24,000 as well? Last week, Ether increased and then turned from 1,942 when we were expecting the seller's pressure at around 1,903 level. This week, if it's below 1,853, 1,825 range, it may break 1,755, 1,740 area, and then try 1,675, 1,670 range. The resistance is at 1,941 level. Will the buyers at around 1,675 be enough, or need to visit the buyers at around 1,600 as well? Thanks for watching. Let me ask you something. 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. I'm happy to share my exclusive analysis in total 20 languages for free on a weekly basis, and I hope you benefit. Do I do anything wrong? If so, please share it on your comments so I can update myself. If not, I need your support to reach more people, and you can do this just by subscribing. And set the reminder for the upcoming, especially for the premieres on Sundays at midnight. You can support me this way totally for free. And don't forget, the clarification of some basic terms I use on my videos are on my Instagram highlights named as term, so keep up with them. Finally, I'd like to remind you the devastating 2 earthquakes in Türkiye. They were just between 9 hours, and both of them were over 7.5 magnitude. Please continue donating and praying for Türkiye. You can find the link of my video that has brief information on how you can donate on below description. Thanks in advance. Bye.